All right, we're gonna put this EOD shelter onto the M1097A2.
Right.
But after some frustration, we did get it on there. It's obviously, it's not 100% complete, but it's on there. And 3 of the 5 major bolts are securing it to the Humvee, and it's lined up right where it needs to be. This little, I don't even know what you call this piece. It's not fully Velcroed, and it's also very ratty. So I'm gonna have to try to find a replacement for this. But it's secure and it's pretty ready. So it'll just take some time to get it squared away.